Today, I'm making a rainbow. Some assembly required. Hello! St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and so I was thinking about making something kind of seasonal, and I ended up at rainbows. I saw a few patterns on Pinterest about sort of a crochet macrame combo that looked kind of fun, so I'm going to try it out and see if it is. Then if that works, I have another idea that I would like to try. So let's try it out. Okay, here's what we need. 4 pieces of macrame cord about 10 inches long, 4 colors of yarn, mine is medium weight, a crochet hook, and mine is 4 millimeters, a yarn needle, and some scissors. Let's see if this works. I'm supposed to slip stitch the inside color to the first cord, and then make 12 single crochets around the cord. Smush them together every few stitches. And then finish off and make sure all the stitches are right up next to each other. And next, I'll take the next color and attach it to the first stitch of my first row. Then I'll alternate 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets in each of the purple stitches, going around my second cord. Then I'll finish that off and squish my stitches together once again. Now the third row is going to be the same idea, but this time you increase in the first stitch and then make 2 single crochets and then repeat until the end. One more row. This time I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each of the first 3 stitches and 2 in the 4th, and on and on. Now I will try to squish all my stitches together one more time. Then I'll weave in my ends in the back. Oh, actually the back might look better than the front, so I'll just try to hide them inside, I guess. And do the same for all the ends. Then I'll unwind all the cord so it gets nice and fluffy. And finally, trim across the bottom. Cute! Now I'm going to try my other idea. Instead of macrame cord, I'm going to use a few strands of white yarn and make them a little bit longer. Ta-da! I've done the stitches just the same as the last time. Now I'll pick my favorite side and tie knots with each section of white yarn. Next, I'll make some pom-poms. And I'll sew them right into the knots. I figured the knots would give them a little bit more stability so that they wouldn't just slide right out. Ta-da! And now we trim. Ha! It does look cute. Maybe a little too fluffy. Can it be too fluffy? These are pretty fun. You can add a little loop and hang it up somewhere. The nice thing about the crochet component is that you might have little scraps of yarn left over from some other project that you can use. Probably more likely than having a whole rainbow assortment of macrame cord. At least I have a much wider variety of yarn. And for the inner bit, I mean, yarn certainly worked. You could use clothesline or maybe even a little bit of ribbon. Whatever you have, I think would probably work okay. I think you could probably also make this without the cord inside, but I haven't tried it yet, so I couldn't tell you. It was a little bit awkward crocheting around the cord, especially as it started and there were like bits everywhere, but it worked out. And when you do it, probably nobody's going to be watching you, so it doesn't have to be pretty. It'll turn out cool. Or maybe it's just me that had so much trouble. Thanks for watching! Enjoy your rainbows. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. New videos come out every Saturday. So until the next one, be awesome, and I'll see you then. Bye!